today, and right after I went off, he just crushed Phyllis Famoga. He played the Colin Cowturd line from last year. He made fun of her. He berated her. He embarrassed her. Phyllis is up next.
Thanks for telling me that, Paul. I hadn't heard that.
Yeah.
Well, so he started early, huh? Yeah, that's it. Hey, Cowturd, you are just... I don't even have a name for you anymore, except Cowturd. How dare you say that about Alabama? They lose a game. And they lost it to a good team. The team beat Alabama. But how can you say, after the dynasty took all these years, all these decades, one game is going to mean that Saban's dynasty is over? You're out of your freaking mind, Cowturd. You need to go back to whatever the hell you was doing before you got on the radio. And how dare you call me out? You call me out, you're going to get me back. You hear me, you punk? How dare you? I don't understand the way you act towards... It's Bama. That's what it is. It's Bama. You don't hate any team in this nation except for Bama. And you know why? Because they're better than what you've got. Nick Saban is a better man than you are. You could never coach because you don't have a bit of coaching in your body. You have nothing but to sit there and insult and down and just carry on about everybody that's doing something different than you. You're jealous. That's the bottom line. You're jealous. And Bama's coming back. Bama has not lost. The dynasty is not over. Do you hear me, Cowturd? Bama's dynasty has just begun. Kiss my butt. Roll Tide.
Thank you very much. Okay.